The runners away deeper pass to begin, moving up by the rail, Shining Courage, and on the outside Diamond's Best. In between horses, Lucky Saber, then comes Toscana, second last Isa Pa, while June 3 is the early trailer. Racing down the backstretch, it's now Lucky Saber takes the lead, Shining Courage in second, moving up now to take third deeper, and on the outside fourth Diamond's Best, another 5 lengths behind in fifth. We've got June 3 running by the rail, Toscana, while Isa Pa still racing in last. Going back to the leader with it still Lucky Saber by about 3 lengths. Diamond's Best now moving up to take second. Then comes Shining Courage. Moving up on the outside now is a Differ. And nearing the fourth turn, Lucky Saber. Diamond's Best is on the outside second. Then comes Differ as they reach the last 350. Lucky Saber, Diamond's Best is on the outside, and down the stretch they come. Lucky Saber, Diamond's Best now throwing a challenge on the outside, now moves up to take the lead. Now we have Diamond's Best takes the lead from Lucky Saber in second, and nearing the finish line, Jackie Eddie Camanero Jr. on Diamond's Best. Lucky Saber, Deeper, then comes Shining Courage, June 3, Toscana, Isa Pa.
Alright, number 5, Diamond's Best, crossing the wire first, ridden by Eddie John Camanero Jr. Masisigundin dos, Lucky Saber, dikit tayo between Deeper, Shining Courage, then, yun nga, yung ating datingan. Panoorin natin replay nitong race number 7.